This large leak actually held vacuum. I actually was able to pull it down to 1,000 microns of vacuum, which is a very deep vacuum, and it actually held, but under pressure it leaked. And this is what happens with rubber. You can pull a very good vacuum and hold, because the oil between two pieces of rubber under vacuum pull together and make an airtight seal. And this is less than 60-second video. YouTube algorithm doesn't like that. Gives it very few views, but I wish I would have videotaped the vacuum this thing was holding. That's it. Oh, and it's on a big commercial van for passengers. This is for the rear AC system.